Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Double Hasse Marie. Knowing how to do a Hasse Marie already would be a really good idea, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, so if you need to go back and have a look at it, it's going to be easy for you to find it. We're going to jump straight in. We're going to do the move quite slow. It's fine to do it fast on wooden floor. We're on carpet, which means this is the kind of thing, if you're practicing and learning something like this on carpet, do it a bit slower. Don't try and go flat out. It's much harder work than it should be. Okay, so it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Lot of spaghetti in amongst this. So let's put it together. It starts like a static man spin. So we go semicircle back, and this is going to start just like a normal Hasse Marie. So we're going to bring the lady in. We're going to switch hands onto the hip, send the lady around the back, off with the left hand, start the lady into a slow spin at the front, right hand ready, palm to the right, thumb down, catch the back of the upper arm. So normal Hasse Marie still, all the way around, block, bring the lady through, hand on the shoulder, lift from underneath, we get the duck all the way around and block, and in normal Hasse Marie there'd now be a spin and we'd be done. So but what we're going to do is push for the left, keep the lady coming around until she's back in the prep she was in before, ready to do another duck. And you could do another duck there, but we're now going to flip and do the other side. So we pull with the right hand, left hand, palm to the left, thumb down. As the lady comes around, we catch the back of the other arm, block the lady on the right. This time we do the same kind of movement we did in the normal Hasse Marie, but in mirror image. So as we bring the lady round, hand goes to the shoulder, roll to palm up, take the lady through in the duck in the other direction, block with the lady facing away, and now instead of getting a spin, we get a return spin, which takes us immediately to the finish. So let's do it again from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, onto the hip 2, across 3, slow spin 4, block 5, duck 6, block 7, bouncing 8, switching sides 1, look 2, duck 3, block 4, return spin 5 and catch 6. And that is the Double Hasse Marie. So let's go for it. Here we go. 5, 6, a Double Hasse Marie. We go a back, in, off a slow spin, we get block, duck, block, transfer, over, look, duck, block, return spin and catch. And that's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. And obviously you can do double ducks and various other things as well in amongst that, so you can turn it into a much more complicated version than the standard one. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like and promote some moves, so if you like the move, pop a like on it. If you like the channel, subscribe, and that way you help boost the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, something, it's just a music video that will be a tune that this is good to do to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.